how to remove a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. So after click on lock screen and always on display, so you will see first option is screen lock and biometrics. So after click on screen lock and biometrics, enter phone pin. And after click on continue, so you will see fingerprint is here, so click on fingerprint. So if you want to delete fingerprint, so click on fingerprint and click on remove. So after click on remove, click on again remove, you will see fingerprint is removed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can remove a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.